In Fire Watch now, the Bureau of Land Management and the University of Nevada have teamed up to install 4 new cameras on remote Nevada mountains to get a look at the fires earlier when they happen. And this is why. The university's seismology lab has the high-definition cameras on Jack's Peak between Elko and Oahe, Midas Peak north of Battle Mountain, Callahan Peak north of Austin, and Fairview Peak south of Highway 50, and southeast of Fallon near Sand Mountain. The seismology lab says one was already used to help fight a fire near Callahan Peak in the last week.
They knew exactly how big the fire was. It wasn't, there was no guess. You could just see it. And they brought their forces to bear and they knocked it down in a couple hours and mopped it up the rest of the night. And we could see that too. And yeah, so it's kind of a whole new way of fighting fires.
Yeah, what a great resource, right? The 4 cameras are being paid for by a grant from the BLM, and they're looking to expand the network even more in the future. The cameras are also used by the National Weather Service to track storms. And the cameras can be viewed by the public to help look for fires. For a link to view them, head to ktvn.com and click on the blue News Links button.